Hey YouTube, this is Movie Director 034, and today I'm doing something different. I'm going to do a how-to video on how to install a CPU, and while I'm at it, RAM, and I guess the video card too. The CPU's right here. That's an AM2 Plus socket. That's actually AM3 as well, but whatever. AM3 and AM2 Plus look the same, or so AMD says. And this is the CPU I'm putting in. And first thing you gotta do is grab this latch right here and do that, and then grab that CPU right there. I know this is intimidating, but it's really easy. I know it's like intimidating to some people, knowing that you spend like $200-300 on a CPU, but really it's actually not that bad. Okay. Then all you have to do is line it up and put it in, just like that. And then you slide this thing into place, and there you go. CPU is installed, and here's the heatsink. Shouldn't be that bad to put in, on the fact it's clipped or whatever. As for RAM, got 4 gigs right here. This is 2 gig right here. All you have to do is line it up. Right there. And right there. And just push on it, but let me put the camera down. And it should. Son of a bitch. Excuse my language. Oh. Hate it when this hate it when it gives me trouble like this. Ooh, I'm not going to, I refuse to be put in here. Maybe it's installed differently. No. Ooh, let's just refuse to be put in. Let's just give him trouble. Yeah, fuck you, RAM. Note, this is a spare motherboard. I don't care what happens to it. It's just a spare. Oh, come on. It should just snap into place like so. Oh. You know what? Screw this stick. Let's use this one instead. See if this one gives me less trouble. Oh, it went in. Wrong way, I suppose. Let's see. How funny, it's still giving me trouble. You don't screw it. Snap. What? Oh, this is like... It's like giving me trouble. Oh, freaking finally it decides to snap into place. Maybe I'm just putting it in wrong. Oh, there we go. Freaking finally. Yeah, you hear that snap? The RAM is snapped into place. See, that's where the RAM goes. And the heatsink, dink, might as well just show you the video card as well. Let me get it really quick. This is GTX 285. Fucker is huge. And yeah, you'll need those two on your power supply. And this thing needs a 550 watt power supply. It has a gig of memory. And it needs a PCI Express 2.0 slot. It will work on the one, but less performance, or so I heard. So let's put this bitch on. If it won't like crush the board. Simple. You just put it right here. But some motherboards want to say, ooh, we want to make things more difficult for you, so let's put it in a different slot so you can see the monitor or that. Piece of junk. Doesn't want to work with me. Come on. Okay. Oh. No, I'll explain that part later. Oh, God. No, I won't swear. I will not swear. It's like everything part of a computer is trying to piss me off today. You know, it's like midnight, so pretty much everything. I don't know what to say. Just put it right there. Boom, it's put in. And okay. Then let's see. That's how it should look. Effort is huge, but I have a 480 in my system, so I think it's the same size. And this I will explain to you in a bit. Hopefully it's the right cord, okay. Hopefully this doesn't burn out the fucking motherboard, but who cares? Right there. You see it? That's, well, you guys should know what that is, but I'm gonna say it anyway. That is a SATA for your hard drives, and that's where you plug it in. Just gotta match it up. I swear. Freaking camera right there. Oh, great. Let's see. You know, I'm having more trouble with camera angles than this stupid motherboard. Okay. I think that's what you do. Come on. Get in there. You wanna give me a hard time? Go put Super Saiyan on you. And you just plug in their other hard drive. This one. And let's see. Alright. These two right here. Yeah. That's USB. That's USB. Wait, it just says right over there. Huh. And wow, major freaking blur. This is where you plug in your power switch and crap so you can turn on your motherboard. So you don't have to press a freaking button. If I can find it. Oh, whatever. This is 24 ATX power connector. This is a 6 ATX. Let's see. This right there. No, right there. So you plug in your CPU fan. And yeah. Might as well just show you how to put on the heat sink. I think it goes in like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think so. Alright, this part's gonna be a tad bit hard to get in shot. Oh, are you kidding me? It's like, woo, computer, ooh, piss me off day.